I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim with a keyboard and mouse. We'll start by covering the fundamental controls that every Dragonborn needs to know. You'll learn how to move, interact with the world, and navigate menus efficiently. We'll also touch upon customizing your key bindings to create a truly comfortable and intuitive gaming experience, ensuring your adventures in Tamriel are seamless and enjoyable. Exploring the vast world of Tamriel is a core part of Skyrim. Your primary movement keys are W, A, S, and D for directional control. To cover ground quickly, simply hold down the Shift key to sprint. For more precise movements like sneaking, the Alt key allows you to walk slowly. Interacting with the environment, such as opening doors or picking up items, is done with a quick press of the E key. Combat in Skyrim is dynamic and engaging with a keyboard and mouse. Your left mouse button controls your left hand, typically for a weapon or spell, while the right mouse button controls your right. Holding down either button performs a power attack or charges a spell. To quickly switch between your favorite weapons, spells, and items, press F to favorite them, then Q to bring up your quick menu for easy access during battle. Efficiently managing your inventory and navigating menus is crucial for any adventurer. Pressing the Tab key opens your main menu, giving you access to your inventory, magic, map, and skill trees. The mouse wheel is your best friend for scrolling through long lists of items or spells. And of course, if you ever need to pause the action or adjust your game settings, simply hit the S key to bring up the system menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.